So during the last calendar year, in fact, the last 6 months, I've had 6 books published. Well, at the beginning of 2024, book number 7 comes out, and I received a box, and I think this is my copies of my newest book. So let's see if I'm right. Because in this case, this book is traditionally published. Lots of paper. And there it is. There is my newest book, Faith of the Butterfly. I call it my Reinvention Memoir by Urano Publishing. And here it is. This covers basically a 2-year period that I call my reinvention period, when I literally did a total reinvention and left behind that which I wasn't, so that I could move forward as who I've always been. And it's why my motto is, and on the very first page of the book, I'm not what I used to be, yet I am who I've always been. Go pick up your copy of Faith of the Butterfly today. It's on Amazon, and I believe it's in the bookstores too, so enjoy.